guys, it's Heather from Epidemic. Sorry about that painfully long intro. I'm here with Patty and Tamara from Crow. How are you guys?
Good.
Great. How are you?
Good. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We have Fresh Bake Friday going on at Main Street Bakehouse featuring Crow, and we're just going to have a little chat with them before we get started. So you guys are from Uxbridge, Ontario, which is just about 20 minutes northeast of here. What's the story about how you guys came together to play music?
Well, we were playing in another band in Uxbridge with our friend Tanya, who you can't see on the screen.
Yo!
And a couple other guys, and my role was the ukulele. And so I started playing that, and then she got one, and we were like, let's play them together. And so we often did, because our sons are the same age, and we were always getting together, drinking beers and wine and stuff anyway.
Nice.
And so throwing the ukulele. We had a lot of fun those first months, playing the ukulele and drinking beer with our kids.
Yeah.
Nice!
They didn't drink beer.
They didn't drink beer.
No.
Yes, that's it. That's it exactly.
So I guess that maybe will inform my next question, which is, tell me a little bit about the songwriting process that happens when you come together.
We kind of write songs separately, I guess, and then we bring them to each other, and then I tell her what to do.
And I say, no way, that's a dumb idea.
Then we fight a bit, and then we drink a few beers, and then we're really friendly again.
And then
It's
the
kind of
song's
something
great.
like
And
that.
you have a song in the end.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Awesome. Well,
Kind of the truth.
we're going to get you to share a song with us. And Crow.
I'm going to introduce this one while she's playing this beautiful intro. This is about a man who buried himself alive because he wanted to get more attention and fame. So he buried himself alive and left notes so people could try and find him. True story. Sadly, they didn't find him in time. He was too clever. Behind the hill, a foot below the waterline, he found the perfect time to remain peaceful. The sunken bed you made, the sheets of leaves on which he laid, he pulled the earth back onto you to remain peaceful. But since you've gone, you got everything you ever wanted. But since you've gone, you got everything you ever wanted. Not just a little scratch for us to work out this attack. And did the beam of light hold you to remain peaceful? And probing men in uniform, your 50-foot high face of doom. You took the front page from the news, and everything was you. But since you've gone, you got everything you ever wanted. But since you've gone, you got everything you ever wanted. park above where you decay, and a few people wonder, are you peaceful?
That was really, really beautiful, guys. So my question after that beautiful performance is, what is the best piece of songwriting advice that you can give to somebody who's just starting to write music?
Ooh, I'm gonna let Tamara handle that. She's written many more songs than I have.
No, you should answer that.
No, you
Well,
should.
we can both answer.
Okay.
I'm trying to think. Oh, okay, this is my favorite advice I've ever been given.
Okay.
Don't write 30 songs, write one really good one.
No pressure.
One thing I would say, like anything that you make creatively, it's good to run it by someone you trust in some kind of middle phase, you know, not right at the very end, and take their advice as much as you can.
Nice. And what was the topic of the most interesting song that you've ever written together?
You know, we only tried to write one song together. I don't know if you remember this. Our very first song, Heart Attack, Tamara had an idea for a song, and it was, well, you can say what it was, but we tried to write it together, and I think that's how we discovered we'll just write songs separately and then come back together. It didn't go badly, but it was just...
It's hard, because I know I'm a know-it-all, but it's sort of...
I didn't say it. I didn't say that.
I've just been doing it a long time. Like, I've probably got 400 or 500 books, you know, on songs. And so, you know, I've written a lot. So it's not fresh and exciting for me in a weird way, but yeah. But that was that. We were going to try and write the whole set about songs about medical conditions that you're facing while you're getting older.
Really?
We thought that
Like a
would be
different
really
area
funny.
of the
Like,
body? Or
this
Yeah.
This one was about thinking that
All
you're
about
going to have
afflictions.
a heart attack. So you start to get, if things are going, you're getting a bit older and you start to go through some phase in your life, you might start to think that if you ever listen to old people sit around a table and, oh, my hip or oh, my back.
I mean, we all,
Yeah,
all of us
yeah,
do
Yeah,
that.
so anyway, I thought it would be really funny if it was like, yeah.
If there was like a collective
The
of
whole
songs
set,
about
the
that.
whole set was, there's this song's about losing your hair and this song's...
I think you should actually still do that. Might be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically they are actually.
A lot of what we do together, it's not answering your question, but is after one of us has written a song, coming back and adding in all the fun bits and like, oh, let's do this with it, or let's do this weird harmony, or let's create this ending. That's kind of the collaborative.
It's kind of like putting on
part.
accessories when you've already picked your
Yeah,
outfit. You're like,
the best
okay,
part.
you put on these earrings.
Right.
Yeah.
The good thing about being in a duo is, though, that I think in most bands that have multiple songwriters in it, is that your audience gets a little bit of a break from a style, because there's two styles. Paddy's songs are different from my songs, and that's a thing I think that you should celebrate. You shouldn't try and mingle the whole time. It's nice. I like it when I see bands that have 3 songwriters in a band. So you get to go, oh, this is a him song and that's a him, and you like different. You may like that guy, and someone else may like that woman, and so I think it's nice to have slightly different styles.
Yeah, we have a bassist now, Chris
I was just gonna
Waller,
ask if you
and
performed
a drummer,
as a duo.
Jason W. I can never remember his last name, and they, they add their things. Yeah, something British sounding, and then they add their thing too. And,
Yeah, but working with bass and drums, this is better. Because there's a very high-endy, silly little toys
It
that
balances
play.
it.
Yeah, it
Balances
fills it
out.
out and it gets
Yeah.
a nice loud rockin' song.
That's where is the next place that we can see you guys perform with your band?
Come to Aurelia for Valentine's.
Oh, that sounds romantic. Where will
Road
it be?
trip. I mean, how great is that?
What is that place
What's
called?
the venue in Aurelia?
It'll be on our Facebook. We have a Facebook page and an Instagram.
It's going to go up this week. I can't remember. The Brownstone or something.
And we have a show we're really looking forward to at Guelph. The Electric something? Does anyone know Guelph?
Yeah.
Electric something
If
house.
anybody knows Guelph,
We need a
put it in the
manager.
comments. And how can we find you on Instagram? At Crow.
Crow Uke.
It was there was a weird number.
Oh.
3835
I think if you
or
put crow,
something.
it's hard to find us because there's so many crow things out there. But if you put crow and uke after,
Yeah.
you should come
Same
up.
with Facebook. You put crow and Uxbridge and ukulele. Or
So we will definitely be reposting this onto Kevin Kerr's Facebook and Epidemic Music Group's Facebook, and so we will find you and tag you. We'll just make it really easy for everybody. And we're going to leave you with another performance from Crow. I want to thank everybody so much for coming out. I want to thank you guys for being here, and Curtis for the use of his apartment as always. Crow for coming to be our featured performers tonight. And you still have time. Make it down to Main Street Bakehouse. We have Fresh Bake Friday, Songwriter Open Mic. And I hope you guys have a great night. Stay warm.
Thanks, Heather. 3, 4. Your cupboard is bare. The sheriff's at your door again. Your mother, she swears you're not the same man. You would rather expire than join the zombies, than join the zombies. Rank and file, but zombies bring you cigarettes and dinner. Zombies bounce back from anything, and zombies lay outside, even in the rank and file. You say they're in the grocery aisle. You say pushing carts and making smiles out. You say they're on their evening couch on blue face and open mouth, and you say, oh, you say, so rank, so vile, 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 but zombies bring you company, and zombies that lose everything. Oh, and zombies please organize. Don't be angry when I tell you, when I tell you, when I tell you, when I tell you to get in line. 'Cause zombies sometimes smile, and zombies even shine, 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 and zombies can rank and what I would give, what I would give, what I